Alright, I wanted to show you again. This is kind of like a little part two. You can see where this thing bottomed out. But anyway, I wanted to show you how good this stuff is. My son's going to try to video me. If he can hold the camera somewhere here where he can see that, I'm going to show you how good this flex glue is. Here's my drill. It's hot from me using it for so long, and I can't hardly get the stuff off. If you see it, this thing just keeps grabbing and grabbing and grabbing. This flex glue is amazing. So, this is just about the tests of all tests. If anyone was wondering about flex glue, here's how good it is. And like I say, just in case you didn't watch part one, here is where when he bottomed out, here's where the oil pan broke, and I used flex glue on it, but we didn't let this cure long enough, so I'm trying to grind it off there so I can put some new on and let it cure this time, and it'll be done. Save someone a lot of time and a lot of money. Thank you for watching.